What up, TTC? This your boy Sean. We got them fucking Tampa Gay Yucks this Sunday down there in Ray J Stadium. And them motherfuckers, well, they got their savior, fucking Revis, but, I suspect that Breeze will pick on him. And he gonna find out how good that knee is, so, fuck Revis. Fuck Revis Island. We got receivers. He's only one fucking corner, so he can't cover all our receivers and Jimmy Graham and our running backs who catch passes out of the backfield. So fuck that motherfucker. Vincent Jackson, crybaby ass. Yeah, I think Kenny Vaccaro probably got something for his ass. So he ain't gonna be able to fucking help y'all. The only player that might be able to help y'all is Doug Martin, y'all running back. But I think our defense can hold his ass. What the fuck y'all gonna do? And then all y'all got is that bully ass coach Schiano. He ain't met Sean Payton yet, but he will. He gonna learn all about the NFC South division. Just like, we swept you bitches last year without Sean Payton. So what the fuck you think we gonna do this year? And not only did we sweep you bitches last year, but we fucking, one of those games, we blew you bitches out 41-0. So, what the fuck y'all gonna do? And, y'all motherfuckers, y'all are garbage. Y'all couldn't even beat the fucking Jets last week. So, how the fuck y'all expect to beat us? We gonna come down there and put our foot in y'all ass. So, fuck Tampa Gay. Fuck Revis. Fuck Doug Martin. Fuck Tito Jackson. Fucking Soul Glow Freeman, y'all bitch ass quarterback. He ain't gonna do shit neither. And fuck y'all bully ass, bitch ass coach Schiano. That motherfucker's a rookie to the NFL coaching game. Sean Payton is a veteran. So, what the fuck y'all motherfuckers gonna do? Not a goddamn thing. So, Kim, Dan, Michelle Snap, this video is especially for y'all three, because y'all be the main ones on Facebook talking all that bullshit about the Bucks. What the fuck is the Bucks gonna do? Y'all motherfuckers ain't gonna do a goddamn thing. Stupid motherfuckers, I'm out. Bye.